Good morning children. In the previous class the video was not clear to you. So I have created this recap video. In nutshell we can understand the operations of Numpy array. How to create 1D array. You can see for working with Numpy array you have to first import Numpy. Import Numpy as NP. Then you can create an Numpy array using list a equals to np.array in parenthesis square bracket 2 comma 3 comma 4. This is 1D array A. You can print it with the simple statement print A. Now you can see in line number 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are attributes of Numpy array which are in your syllabus, and you have to understand the working of these attributes of Numpy array. A dot shape will give you shape of the array. A means array here. Then endim will tell you the dimension of the array. Size will tell you the size of the array, how many elements are there in an array. D type, the data type of the array, and the item size, the size of each and every element of an array. See line number 11. You can create Numpy array, Numpy 2D array using nested list B equals to np.array within parenthesis. Within a square bracket there are two lists separated by comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. It will create 2D array. You can simply print this array also like 1D array. B dot shape will tell you the shape of the array. Endim will tell you the dimension of the array. Size will tell you the size of the array. D type will tell you the data type of the array, and item size will tell you the size of each and every element of an array in bytes. So let us check what it will print. See, 2, 3, 4. We have created an array with 3 elements. Shape of this array A was 2, 3, 4. The shape is 3. It is 1D array, and so there are how many elements in the array? There are 3 elements and only 1 dimension. That's why only 1 attribute is returned. Dot endim is telling you the dimension of the array. It is only 1 dimension. A dot size equals to 3. Total number of elements in an array are 3. D type, it is every element is of type int, and the item size is 4. Why 4? Because integer takes 32 bytes in memory. You can see the D type is int 32. Then item size is 4. Now check the next array which is on screen 1, 2 and 3, 4. This is 2D array which you have defined as B. So shape of the array is, what is the shape? 2 comma 2, because it is 2 dimension array, 2 elements in row 1 and 2 elements in row 2. Endim will tell you the dimension of the array. It is 2D array, that's why it is returning 2. B dot size, total number of elements in an array are 4, and B dot D type equal to int 32. Again the data type of array is 32, integer 32 bits. So item size is 4 byte. How 4 byte? 8 bit equal to 1 byte. So one integer will take 32 bits means 4 bytes. So item size will be 4. You can change it by changing the D type of the array. How can you change? Let me change the D type. See in line number 11, I am adding D type. D type equals to float. I am changing it. By default it is int, and I am changing it to float. Now what will happen? The B dot D type and B dot item size will change. I have not changed anything in array A, so there will no change for array A, but there will be change for array B. Check the change. See the change. There is no change in array A and also the attributes of array A, but there is change in array B. Now each and every element of array B is of type float. Shape will be same because 2 rows and 2 columns. And dimension, it is of 2D array. B dot size, total elements are 4. B dot D type is changed. I defined D type as float, so D type is changed. The data type of each and every element is float 64. 64 means 64 bits. Float takes 64 bits in memory. So one item, one float value take how many bytes? It will take 8 bytes. Divide 64 by 8, it will give you 8. So item size is 8. Thank you class. Hope you had understood this.